Good morning, everyone. Where is everyone? Now, this is usually the time when I welcome you all back and we talk about all the things that are new in the school. But as you can see, things are very, very different this year. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you around the school and show you some of the things that are new, some of the things that are the same, and some of the things that we need to get used to. So let's go. Okay, so we're still in the hall, but what you'll see is our new tables. Now we've got these because dinner times look very different, which you've already seen, I know. So you come in with your bands, you sit, you choose your lunches, and it gets brought to you. But you stay at your tables until you're all ready to go. So that means we have a much better dinner time. You can talk quietly to the people next to you, eat your dinner nicely, and then go out. But the tables stay here because we're not having the assemblies at the minute like we used to. But don't they look great? All right, let's come in foundation stage and see what's here. Okay, so, don't know whether you remember this, if you can see it, or you might not have even been down before. But this is foundation stage. Lots of different activities that the children do here. And you can see foundation stage do a lot of work outside as well. So we've got a lot of wonderful things out here to do. Come and have a look at this new gravel pit. So here we go. And Mr. Brownbill has been really good at building all these wonderful new things. So do say hello and well done, Mr. Brownbill, when you see him.
This is the foundation stage mud kitchen. Mr. Toon won't get in the mud kitchen. Apparently it'll ruin his clothes.
Why don't I film you in there, Mr. Durkin?
Nah, you're alright.
In year one.
That was Mrs. Yasmin.
Hello.
So, new teacher, but also new lift. Watch this. Listen. Da, da, da. You're not allowed to do this, by the way. So here we are now in year 2. As you can see, as we go further up the school, the classrooms look very different. Look how the tables are facing the front with the chairs facing the front. And look how the teachers socially distance. Don't forget, some things are still carrying on. So as you go around the school, don't forget to look at all the different things to do with our route to resilience, including the character muscles. And let's not forget the 3 easy to follow Ralston rules. Now in Key Stage 2, this is year 3, you can see again what's changed is the tables and the chairs are a little bit taller, but we're still facing the front, socially distanced, and also every class and every room that's used has these little cleaning stations with this special ozone water, which Mr. Toon calls magic water. Keeps us safe. Oops. You ready? Oh, it's cold out here. So, as you already would have realised, coming into school and leaving school and breaks and lunch times have all changed quite considerably. So we've got different entrances now. We actually use this car park entrance in the morning. We use different entrances now to come into the school and to leave the school. And also lunch times and break times are very different. We call it staggered, and that's when we come in at different times and we leave at different times. You've already got used to that now, right? So here we are outside, and I wonder if you know where we are. Have a look round there. Yeah? Look at all this stuff that's been growing over the summer holidays. Fantastic. Now that scarecrow was meant to be me, but I think my head's missing. Now, what I want to show you, Mr. Cameraman, come over here, let me show you this. Now, you might be wondering, what's this? I wonder if you can guess what you think it might be eventually.
Yeah, because right now, Sarah, it's just a slab of concrete.
So, think about it. Could it be a stage? Maybe a platform for a spaceship? A diving board for a swimming pool? Dunno. Coming soon, this October, hopefully, you will find out.
Hello children and welcome back to Rollston Primary School. I'm Mr. Durkin for those of you who are new to the school or don't know me very well. So, how's this going to work? Every single week a different teacher or adult will be making a different video face to face with you because we can't do assemblies because of social distancing measures anymore. So the idea is to allow you the chance to still see us and still reflect upon your character education and upon our spiritual and moral values. So we'll still be doing assemblies based on our character muscles like adaptability, which is something we've all had to think about a lot recently. And we'll also be doing assemblies based upon things like Remembrance Day or Christmas, etc. Okay? So every week you can expect a different adult from the school to be talking to you just like this, meeting you in your classroom, and then we'll be able to talk and reflect upon the value that we've been exploring this week. Now, also on a Friday, we're going to do a special assembly where a senior member of staff will be doing a celebration assembly where we'll be celebrating some of the really good work that you've been doing, either at home or here. Now, we've had a really successful start to the term. It's been very difficult and very challenging and very different for all of us, but you guys have been amazing. And I'd also like to make sure that you go home and say thank you to your parents, because without them coming in and taking it so seriously, you know, when we're lining up or going home, this wouldn't work. So thank you very much, guys. We'll all be seeing you very soon, coming to your classrooms via YouTube. Lots of these videos will be able to actually be watched at home if you want to as well, and enjoyed hopefully. So my hair looks a lot better than it did before the lockdown, although I can see that I probably need a bit of a shave today. Have a good time, guys.
You started?
Yeah.
So why are you laughing? Do it if you laugh.